Now, in this video, we are going to have a look at another basic function built into Microsoft Excel, which is called count function. So let's go ahead and have a look. We are on our previous example of monthly budget. Let me put a label called count. Now in this B14 for the month of Jan, I would like to count how many bills we pay each month. A point to note over here is that the count function counts only numeric values. It does not count empty cells or text values. It just counts numeric values. Okay, so again, we can go to our formula tab. Under more functions, we can go to statistical, and over here we can select the count function. Now you can also do this by clicking on FX button, but let's just select the count function from here. Now again, Excel tries to help us by pre-populating the parameters, which is not correct. What we are going to do is we want to specify a range from B4 to B8. And over here you can see the help that it says the counts the number of cells in a range that contains numbers, not blank values or text, just numbers. Okay, so if I click on OK, it will give me a count of 5. So this count specifies that within my selected range, there are 5 bills that I pay. As we mentioned, it only counts the numeric value. So for example, let's say I just somehow forgot to pay this bill, right? And you can see the difference that now it's counting 4 because there is one blank space over here. So it just skips that, right? So let me just Control Z over here, undo it, and then the count comes back to 5. And if I want to copy this function throughout, I just need to left click on this and then drag it. You will notice that it copies the function over here. And if you double click on it, you will see that it used the same formula with different cell range, right? So why don't you go ahead and try to use this count function, and stay tuned for our next video.